truck camper. Very nice. And what I'm going to show you is how I edited the aluminum frame in 3D. So basically, like I did there, basically go to view and go to, and then you can see, um, show the wireframe view draw type and then wireframe, and that's the wireframe. And as I'm turning this, I notice some of the lines are not straight or not connected in the right places. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. Okay, but take a look, and these are the frames that I'm going to be welded, and you can see the floor is already, drew, and the roof is already drew as well as the truck bed area. It's also um, drew so that it will. So, but take a look of this spin for now. Okay, see, notice that I am changing. So the first thing you do is go to the draft. As my cursor was, I went to the draft, and I noticed one of the lines is not is crooked, it's off position. So let me turn this around. Okay, so that's the one. That's the wire. Okay, it's not straight. So I'm deleting it. I left click and then delete, right click and then delete that line. Now I'm going to add a line back. So again, I'm still in the draft mode, and I just click that corner and then drag it, hold it, not releasing, just drag it all the way to the other end and then let go. And then that's when um, the new line is created. It's in color green. It's in green color, as you can see there. So now I can show you that new line. And apparently the new line wasn't created correctly. As you can see there, this green line is actually off. Instead of connecting to the horizontal bar above, it actually connected it to the bar below. So I'm going to have to redo this. So I'm going to delete this green line and then redraw this. So basically, that's how I was able to draw these and just delete and then slowly delete and edit and then modify all these wires. That's how I was able to add these inside wires. Okay, here we go. I did delete, so that line that I just added is gone. And I'm gonna do it again. You still need to be in draft mode. Click that two-line icon in yellow up here, and then you can see now I just click one line and then drag it until I hit the other line, and then it started highlight, and then I click again. There, I click again, so that line is created, and you can see it's in. And now I'm gonna play the turntable again, so you can see that line I created here is looking much better than before. Okay, so that's how I was able to get these lines to line up, and so again, this is a free CAD software. And the backside, that's the door there. And I'm doing the view turntables. That's what you're seeing here. Basically, it's inside the tools, and then view turntable, and then you just hit the play button, and then it will start playing for you. And this is the speed ruler, and this is the angle ruler. See, very nice. Yeah, so here basically I'm still twisting. So now I'm just fixing the roof line. So I click there and then drag it all the way to the back until I see the line highlighted, and I click again, and then the point will be dropped on the other side, and that's it. That's how I you know, add lines and also modify lines if they're not straight or they're not connected in the right spots. So now you can see the truck camper is turning again. So I have these 4 crossbars, you know, 2 in the back and 2 in the front. So these are where the jack stand is going to connect, this corner and also this corner and this corner. So that's why I have these crossbar, you know, and this is the truck bed area. This is the back. Yeah, so this is a free computer aided design software. Gives you the 3D mode. Got a lot of different um, what they call the workbench. So in order to create the internal frame, you need to be in draft mode. You know, change it out of the part design. Okay, so I'm deleting a line here again because it wasn't connected in the right spot. So now I'm fixing it. Okay, so anyway, it's a similar stuff. So I'm gonna rewind quickly, and then let's see. Yeah, so I fixed something there, and I'm gonna try to get you to the yeah, the reason I do this is because so I can take an exact measurement. Now I can also number each one of these bars. Um, so when I weld, I'll be able to cut it and weld them together, you know, and order them too. And also it's once I have it in this way, so you can see here. So from the top, this is I number these um, square tube sections. Okay, like and I, you know 44 inches. I need 3 of them. I label them as 1, 2, and 65, and 44 inches number 1 is here, which is this one, the floor crossbar. It's 44 inches. So instead of 45 inches, I decided to shorten it by 1 inch for the floor width to clear the wheels, the 2 wheels. And then I need 75 inches, which is the length of the floor, okay, that sits on the truck bed. I have a 6.5 feet truck bed, so that's 76. That's 6 feet times 12, 72 plus 5, 77 inches bed. So 75 inches bed is should be good enough. So I still have 2 inches clearance. And then I also need 20 inches, like 8 of them. I label them from 6, you know, all the way to 13, 8 of them. Okay, so that's how I was able to come up with the total calculation of 515 inches. And then I go through these different sections. I call them inside truck fence, flat area rest on truck fence, midsection, midsection rear. That was number 4 is midsection 2 sides, and number 6 is front bed, front, and then the 7 is front bed face and floor and roof, and then rear door frame. So all that, and then I was able to separate the square tube length in inches for in the bed area, the over the cabin bed area, and then the remainder is 2931. So I need 1187 inches for the bed area, and remainder is 2931. And the price is about $60 per 21 feet. Okay, and that costs about $1,000. That does not include the tax or the shipping. So, pretty expensive just to build a truck camper. Well, compared to buying one, it's still cheap. And the weight is about 80.8 pounds per foot of square tube. Compare that to the square steel bar or tube. It's 1.5 pounds per foot for steel square tube. So you can see this is much. Aluminum is almost like a third less weight, And then I have if it's 2x2 wood, then it's quarter pound, 0.25 pound per foot, So anyway, total camper is going to be 274 pounds. This is just the frame without the aluminum composite panel yet. So that's going to add more weight to this camper. So 79 pounds in the bed area, remaining is 195 pounds, total to 274 pounds. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video as I will show you more. Okay, to calculate the composite panel. Okay, there you have it.